Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to find the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. Okay, let's continue from where we stopped before. We now know how to put the entries A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So these are the entries of a 3x3 matrix. So you find out that this is the first entry. This entry is the element, first row and first column. This one is the element, second row and third column. This one is the element, third row and second column. So let's assume now that we have let B equals a matrix. B equals to -2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 0, -3, 5, 5. We are asked to find the determinant. So that B, the shorthand of this bold letter B, is equal to what I usually like to do is to label the entries this way and this way, so that I can call this one IJK and call this one also IJK, so that whenever there is a rearrangement of row, then we know that it is -1. I also like to, as a physicist, I also like to do IJK, so that when you have a cyclic multiplication, it will give you a positive number. When you have an anticyclic for cyclic, it will give you +1. For anticyclic, it will give you -1. Anticyclic, it will give you -1. So let's continue. So for this determinant now, if we take A11, we are going to multiply it with A22, A23, A32, A33. Remember, this is on I. From what we have done, IJK, IJK. So IJK, if you like, that's what you have seen. IJK. See that this guy is in JK, IJK. Then the next one, we want to make it cyclic. If you want to make it cyclic, then the next one we're going to pick is A12. A12 into, if we write A12 is 22, this one is a J, so we want it to have a KI. For instance, we want to have okay, we are picking 21. Let's pick 21. Let's pick 21. If we pick 21, this one, remember, is J. So we'll have to make it positive, we'll have KI. So K is A32 and A33, A3233 is K, and this other one will be I. So the other one will be A12 and A13. So that here will be plus. So this guy remains JK. JK is positive. So the last one is A. We are not writing the sign first. We'll write it when we are sure of what will happen here. So this one will be A31. This one A31. So we want of course JK, so that one is positive already, cyclic. So the next one, A31, will now be this minor matrix. It will be A12, A13, A22, A23, A23. So that is IJ. IJ is also cyclic, so it's plus here. If we interchange any of these rows, if we assume we bring this one here and bring this one here, it becomes a negative here. So this thing now, this thing that we have written is equal to A11, if you like, A22, A23, A32, A33, minus A21, then A12, A13, A32, A33. If you see very well, you see that we have moved this one up and this one down. This guy still remains JK, and this one is also as it is before. So A21, A12, A13, A22, A23 is the same IJ, JK. So from here you see that from what we have here, I cross K is anti-cyclic, so it's minus. That's why we put minus. J cross K is plus cyclic. K cross I is plus cyclic. J cross K is cyclic. J cross K also cyclic. JK cyclic. IJ cyclic. So JK cyclic. JK cyclic. A22, 2332. This one is also JK, another JK cyclic. IK anticyclic. So we have minus there. So let us now solve these two things that we have therefore enunciated. B is equal to, for A11 is minus 2, A11 is minus 2, A22 is 1, A23 is 0, A32 is 5, plus A21 is 4, A21 is this one 4, A32 is A32 is this one 5, 5, 1 2, A12 is 5, A13 is 1, 3, that one, plus A31 is minus 3. Then A31 minus 3, then A12, 1 2, 2 2, so this one we have 5 1 1 0. So if we do that, we'll get from our 2 by 2 matrix, this determinant is 5 minus 0, minus 2 times 5 minus 0 plus 4 into 5 minus 25 minus 3 into 0 minus 1. So you have it to be minus 10 plus, this is minus 20 minus 80, this is plus 3, so it's minus 90 plus 3 minus 87. That is the answer. So now let us use this one and see what we have, or that B equals to, of course this one is the same thing with this entries, this one and this one, this one and this one is the same. So let's just write minus 10 and do the next one, which is A21. A21 is this, which is 4. Good. into, all we have done is to rearrange this. So 3 2 came down and 1 2 went up. So this row came down, this row went up. So that's what we have here. Then this thing, this one and this one are the same, so we'll have +3 there. So we have minus 10 minus 4 into, this one is 20, 25, this one minus 5 plus 3. So you have to be minus 10 minus, this is 2080 plus 3. So you have minus 90 plus 3 minus 87. So are the same answer. So the row operations matter. It is usually good when doing it to start with identification and master this thing cyclic. When you interchange 2 rows, you multiply by -1, and when you interchange 2 columns, you multiply by -1. So that is how to do it. Thanks, and please subscribe and click on the notification button so that whenever we post new videos, you will see. Thanks, bye.